Alright, what's up guys? We are on the Chinese lathe today and we're going to turn down some spacers for our Yamaha XT250 for the front forks. So got a piece of scrap aluminum. I'm a machinist, so if you're a machinist, before you yell in the comments, I know I'm hanging out the truck too far. And I know this is kind of a janky setup, but it'll work. What we're aiming for is to turn this 1.25 inch stock. Just trying to do it where you can maybe see my calipers. And we got to get down to 1/160", which would be there. Alright, we've gotten it down to like 1/162", so we're just going to take a skim pass. One inch 155, close enough. This thing's got a lot of push off in this little Chinese lathe, so skim pass usually takes 2 or 3 per side. Alright, now we're going to put a center spot in it and then we're going to drill it. Alright, I got a 29/64 drill bit. Why 29/64 you ask? Because that's what I grabbed out of the drawer. That's why. Alright, let's get you up there, that way the chatter won't make the camera move. Alright, we're going to get us a groove started, 1/2 inch back, and I'm going to go ahead and get these parted off. I'm not going to make you watch that, get everything cleaned up, get them thrown on the bike.